Hi there, students. Petrichor. I've even heard people say Petrichor. This is a noun, an uncountable noun. Let's see, when it hasn't rained for a long time and everything's really dry, and then it starts to rain, and there's this smell. This smell is petrichor. This is the smell that's produced when the rain falls on very, very dry earth. Okay, this is the smell of petrichor. It's a distinctive smell given off by earths and rocks and pavements when it begins to rain after a period of very warm, very dry weather. Okay, and let's see the reason for this, or for this smell. The rain falls, and within the earth there are bacteria that produce a specific chemical called geosmin, and geosmin is the chemical that is responsible for this smell. And when the rain falls, this geosmin is driven out of the rocks and the earth, and we can smell it. Okay, it's a chemical that we are very, very sensitive to. We can smell in very, very low quantities, and some scientists say that maybe we can smell it because when in the past, man depended on rainfall. Primitive men depended on rainfall, and it was a very important thing to know. Apparently camels can also smell this petrichor from a distance, and that's why camels know where there is a waterhole or an oasis in the desert. Yeah, and they use petrichor to locate water in the desert. So we are the human nose is very, very, very sensitive to the smell of petrichor. Okay, so it's a very technical word. Yeah, it's only this one thing. It's this smell. This earthy smell that's given off, or this earthy smell that comes where the rain begins to fall on dry ground, and it's a very pleasant earthy smell. Apparently this chemical as well is responsible for the earthy flavour of beetroot. I'm not very fond of beetroot, to tell you the truth, but it's this geosmin as well. Okay, so petrichor, it's this pleasant smell that comes with the first rains when it's been dry for a very long period, and this this smell. Yeah, I'm sure you've all experienced it. Let's see, I have a rotten sense of smell, but I can still smell it. Yeah, so I guess if I can smell it, then almost all of you can smell it. Let's see. Humans have known about this for quite a long time, although it hasn't been actually measured or documented the processes until the 60s. Sometimes it's very interesting. It can rain, and the only evidence and the rain dries immediately, and the only evidence that it's rained is this smell of petrichor that is there. Yeah, I think also the intensity of the smell depends on the type of soil, and it depends how heavily the rain is falling. So let's see, petrichor. Formality. 6 informality, 6.5 informality, semi-formal semi-formal conversations, semi-formal or formal writing. This is a new word. This was first coined by Richard Grenfell Thomas, who's an Australian scientist, in 1964. So definitely is one of these new words. Yeah, let's see. From stone, petro, and ichor is supposedly the liquid that flows in the veins of the gods instead of blood. And while we're at it, geosmin, geo, earth, and osme, smell, so geosmin as well. So now you know what to call that smell. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Petrichor, and I guess geosmin as well.